Let's test your grammar. 1. Which sentence is correct? Answer B. Since is used to show the starting point of time. It works with present perfect tense. 2. Pick the correct sentence. Answer B. During is used to talk about something that happens within a specific time or event. 3. Which sentence makes sense? Answer C. If introduces a condition, something that might happen depending on something else. 4. Choose the correct one. Answer A. However, is used to contrast two ideas. It's often used to start a new sentence.